Ta-da! What's up, folks, and welcome back to the garage. Today I will do some upgrades to my wife's daily. I will put these extra high beams on. I got feedback from my wife several times that I should do this next, so it's my job for this weekend. I have tried to do this twice before because it's a little bit difficult in this car. It's Hyundai Getz. The electric system is ground guided, so that, for example, the lights doesn't work in the way I have used to. So it's a little bit difficult to get with this relay. I will show you soon to get this work, but I have a certain way that I can get these lights working. I took the battery away. As you can see, the battery needs some cleaning, and also the battery cables are in quite interesting condition. I will clean that up. Now I have more clearance here. I already put the light on, and as you can see, the cable goes from here, or the wiring comes here, and I will take the power for the relay from this light, from the high beam. So I try to get those wires as short as possible, and I will probably put the relay somewhere here. I actually don't know yet, but I will figure that out next. I hate these electrical things, but somebody's got to do this, so it will be me. As you can see, there's the relay, and there's no connection because I have tried several things, so now I just have to figure out which wire goes where. But I have the connection instructions here, plus then I googled how to connect these wires in the relay, so I should have good instructions now. So I will be back after the fog has gone away. Wiring done. As you can see, the light is there, and the wiring should be now okay. As you can see, I tried to do it properly. I use those socks to cover the connection, so they should be okay. There is still some extra wire there because I have a small problem, which I will show you soon. But the relay is there, and I cleaned the battery. It should be okay. Next I will take the car other way around, and I will put the lights on against that door so I can adjust the extra high beam for the right height so it doesn't blind other drivers. Now I adjusted the lights, they should be okay, and next I will show you what kind of problem I still have. Just the slight one. Now I have the normal driving lights on, and now I will connect the high beam like that. It works okay, and the blue light goes on, and the level should be okay. Then I turn the normal driving lights, and the extra lights go off like they should be, so everything looks okay. And then I turn the ignition key and off, and everything is perfect. But if I take the lights off from the switch, watch now. The extra lights will go on, and every other lights will go off. So there's still some issue. I think that's a issue with the ground, because this is a ground guided electric system in this car. So I will fix it. I probably will find the reason why it's doing this. I have even got some good advice, but none of those chips didn't help yet, but I will fix this. So the most important thing is now that this car, the lights works almost like they should be. High beam works, so it's not dangerous to anybody. So this will help a lot in this point, but I will fix the problem sooner or later. It's a little bit difficult to explain or show the difference, but when I put the high beam on, you can see the light far away is much brighter than it's used to be. So there's a huge difference between the old and new. Now the visibility is much better in the dark. Another job done. Okay, not 100% ready yet. There's a small slight problem still, but I will fix it sooner or later, so don't worry. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and I really hope you broke the like button, and please give me some comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away, and then press the bell so you get noticed when the new video will come. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.